Diet and mental health. Is there a link? Good morning, everyone. My name is Ingrid, and I'm Nutritional Advisor for Catholic Care. Today, I'll be talking to you about the importance of a good diet and the mental health, and how can we put that in practice. So we know that foods high in saturated fat, high in calorie, and sugar are extremely inflammatory to our body. Some research has shown that the Western diet may have a detrimental effect on our brain health, including cognitive decline, hippocampal dysfunction, such as the damage on our blood-brain barrier. High consumption of processed carbohydrate could increase the risk of depression, obesity, anxiety, and mood swing. The reason is because of the repeat and rapid increase and decrease on blood glucose. Our body tries to compensate the high glycemic load by lowering the plasma glucose that triggers the secretion of the counter-regulators hormones such as cortisol, adrenaline, growth hormone, and glucagon. So consumption of a high refined carbohydrates can increase the risk, like I said, of obesity and diabetes because carbohydrate is sugar in our blood. This happens because when we consume those carbohydrates, the body digests, absorbs, metabolize these foods too fast, making blood glucose and insulin level spike. Now, knowing this, there are a few things we can do to ensure that the body has the right nutrients, the amount that it needs every day. So a good diet has 1. Healthy fats such as olive oil, avocado, chia, flax seeds. 2. Fruit and veg. Watch for the low glycemics such as broccoli, spinach, carrots, sweet potato, berries, apples. High in fiber, which is all your vegetables, also all the legumes, brown rice, quinoas, oats. Protein, number 4, protein. 1 gram per kilogram of your body. Protein contains amino acids which support our neurotransmitters like serotonin, okay? And then we have water, number 5. We should aim to drink 30 to 50 ml of water per kilogram of our body, okay? A good way to start your day is drinking a glass of water when you wake up because you've been sleeping for 6 to 8 hours, but your body's been working, so you're dehydrated. So do that every morning. So now that we know what should we eat, how can we do that without counting the calorie? We do the hands approach. Have you heard about the hands approach before? So your hands is like this, is the size of your stomach. So your hands should tell you how much of each category of the foods you should be consuming. For example, the palm of your hand without the finger should be your protein. So what is protein? Anything that comes from the animal, apart from the dairy, apart from the milk, because the dairy is separate, okay, on the well plate dish. So also, if you are vegan or vegetarian, you have tofu and you have the legumes that are considered protein when you combine them to form a full amino acid, okay? So when we look into the protein, how often should we consume? So it's 2 to 3 times daily. Then we have carbohydrates, your feast. So your feast should tell you, so is your plate, in your plate should be the portion of your carbohydrate. Low glycemic carbohydrate, as we talked before, is better. So sweet potato, brown rice, oats, brown bread, they are all low glycemic carbohydrate, which will they consume fiber, they have fiber, so they will take the body longer to digest, and they won't have the spike on insulin. Then you have the portion of your vegetables. So it's 2 hands together. And how often? 5 times a day. Then we have the fruit portion, which is your hands cuffed like this. And again, if you look into the low glycemic, like the berries, the apple, grapefruit, they are great for you. Then we have the fats, which we mentioned before, which is the good fats. The fats is 1 thumb, which is a tablespoon. So nuts, olive oil, avocado. How many portions? 2 to 3 maximum in a day. So 1 tablespoon of nuts, that is like 7, 8 almonds together, or a tablespoon of avocado if you're using as a butter, in your toast. So watch out for the fats. And then we have the cheese. The cheese is like that. So the top of your 2 fingers, and again, the consumption is about twice a day. And why do we say that? Why about the cheese? Because cheese is extremely high in saturated fat. And our body makes all the saturated fat that it needs. So anything that we put extra, your body needs to work with it. It needs to burn it. Otherwise, it becomes an excess fat. And that's why when we start having the problems with our health, inflammation to our body, okay? Then we have, we talked about protein portion, carbohydrate, veg, fruit, fat, and cheese, and the water. So make sure you drink plenty of water. All the herbal teas without sugar and without milk are classified as water. So drink that as well. So I think in here, I gave you good information and a practical device to help you look into your health and looking what you can improve. Small change, a little every day will help you a long way. Like they say, knowledge is power. So I hope I have empowered you to make a better decision today, okay? I have a fantastic day, and if you want to know anything more, if you like this video and want more information, please email me. I'll be more than happy to support you in this journey into this healthier lifestyle. I hope you have a fantastic week. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.